Here's something I always remind myself. This represents the cost of living your life today. Your rent, your mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, phone bills, school expenses, lahat ng iyong pinagkakagastusan sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Everything that keeps your household running. Here's something I always remind myself. Every money, every peso or dollar has an assignment. And when we know where our money is going, we become better stewards of what we've been entrusted with. So, ask yourself, what does it really cost to live my life each month? Magkano nga ba ang nagagastos ko para mabuhay buwan-buwan?